Hi there, and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we're introducing the User Calendar component, an end-user-friendly calendar designed to overcome the limitations of the standard Salesforce calendar. It gives business users more flexibility and control by allowing them to choose which records to display, apply custom filters, and use clear, consistent color coding, all without leaving the page or writing any code. Everything is configured through simple point-and-click settings. Let's get started. Click New to create a new calendar. Set the calendar label, for example, Demo Calendar. For the object name, select Task. Choose the appropriate date field. In our case, select Due Date Only. For the title field, choose Subject. Click Submit. And that's it, your task calendar is now created. Easy, right? Now, let's take a closer look at the toolbar. From here, you can open the date picker to quickly navigate through time. You can also apply filters. For example, let's focus on tasks with the type set to call. Click Apply. The filter is applied successfully. From here, you can change the calendar view, daily, weekly, monthly, or agenda, depending on how you prefer to work. You can jump to the next month, or go back to the previous one just as easily. You can use this button to refresh the calendar and make sure everything is up to date. Now, this is where the real magic happens. You can update fields directly from the calendar. Use filters to focus on the records that matter most. Apply color conditions to better distinguish records at a glance. Let's apply one as an example. You can add actions. We also have an advanced section with additional configuration options. We'll add fields like priority, subject, status, and type, so when you hover over a task, you can quickly see this information at a glance. Make sure the following options are turned on: create, update, and delete. When you're done configuring everything, click Save. Now let's test what we've configured. As you can see, the coloring is applied. We can drag and drop records to update dates. Here's the popover in action. And if you double-click on a cell, you can quickly create a new task. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your work more efficiently using the user calendar. Thank you for watching.